In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a splash of color to your Microsoft Word documents by changing the page background color. Whether you're working on a Windows PC or a Mac, this feature can bring a bit of vibrancy and uniqueness to your documents, making them stand out, whether you're crafting a marketing plan or a fun school project. First, let's focus on the desktop version of Microsoft Word. For both Windows and Mac users, the process is fairly straightforward. Begin by opening Microsoft Word and navigating to the document where you'd like to add some color. Once you've opened your document, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll see the ribbon, packed with different tabs and tools. To change the page color, you'll want to click on the Design tab. This tab is essentially your one-stop shop for all things related to how your document is presented visually, so you'll find a host of great styling options here. Within the Design tab, you'll notice an option labeled Page Color. Go ahead and click on that. A palette of colors will pop up, offering a range of preset choices. Feel free to hover your cursor over different colors to see real-time previews. This feature allows you to test various colors and see how they contrast with your document's content before you make a selection. If you're feeling adventurous, or want to match a specific color theme, you can click on More Colors for an extended palette. Here, you're not just limited to basic colors, you can explore gradients and more nuanced shades by entering RGB or HSL values. Once you've found the perfect hue, click to apply it, and voila! Your document has a new background color. On some versions of Word, instead of the Design tab, you might find this option under Layout. If that's the case, don't worry, the steps remain the same. Just click on Layout, then Page Color, and follow the same process to bring that vibrant touch to your page. Now let's address how your color choices appear when viewing your document elsewhere, like in Word Online. It's a nice feature that any page background color you set in the desktop version isn't lost. When you open the document in Word Online, the background color will appear just as you set it. This ensures consistency and style across different platforms and devices without any extra work on your part. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to enhance your documents and make sure they carry your personal or professional touch. Whether it's for aesthetic reasons or accessibility purposes, changing the page color can be a helpful tool in your Microsoft Word toolkit. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.